Welcome at the Battery Show 2024. Today we are staying at the booth at MVTec because MVTec is also showing our Gocator in connection with their software, the Halcon software. As you see here, they're scanning a battery cell, but I think, Mark, you can explain it a bit more detailed if you want.
As you explained already, we are checking the surface of a cell battery, if it's flat or uneven. And here you see one surface mantle of a cell. And we have here some defects marked in red. And you can go down to micrometer defects that we can detect with Gocator. Yeah, we are very happy to implement this product from LMI. And it was very easy to use for us.
And what I see here, it's also spinning pretty fast.
Yeah, so we can go in faster. We can, I think, go up to 10 battery surfaces per second. So here you see all the batteries we've checked from today.
Yeah, okay.
Nice. Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.